e a cultura rende que está a aportar, e tá se corresponde para Aruba, a nossa apreciar e nós que compartilhar como estão mirando televisão agora aqui, junto com uma amiga, seu nome é Peggy TJIN, e agora aqui colega também para nosso canal de televisão nacional Tele Aruba com seu programa 1010. Peggy, it's a pleasure to have you on the show. How are you?
The pleasure.
Beautiful.
Thank you. The pleasure is all mine.
Share with our viewers, those that did not have a chance to see 1010, what is it about?
Well, if you hear what it actually already says, it says 1010. It's less than $10 US dollars in 10 minutes. Now I create very simple meals which you can easily make at home. They're super healthy because I use all organic ingredients, and they're very good for your body.
But you know, when we hear organic, we see a lot of ting 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 dollar signs. You know, it's a concept. It's not the cheapest of it.
I understand. However, Peggy TJIN's 1010, the recipes are all portion controlled. So when you see my recipes on a plate, they look like amazingly beautiful and oh, what a lot of food on a plate. But there's a little trick, Tabitha. I use not a lot of ingredients. I use a beautiful presentation, so the garnish is very, very well, like to the teens and to perfection is it set on the plate. So you think, oh my God, what a lot of food. And psychologically, once you start eating it, it settles in the stomach and you're full with half a portion that you would normally eat. So what are you paying? Yes, it's expensive, it's organic, but it's less.
Peggy, it sounds super great. Aruba, não estou seguro que também mirando a televisão agora aqui. Quer saber mais de conceito aqui? Caminha, você está comendo saudável. Você está comendo porção mais controlada e, ao mesmo momento, uma mescla de verdura turcos bonita apresentada sobre nós tursa e comemento para começar com nós agora.
And it's so easy to make, Tabitha. Really, if the youth would try it out and realize that for so much less money and so much less time, you can fix such a great meal instead of running to a fast food chain, you know, and spend much more money and eat bad, you know, processed food. Well, you can make it at home and you decide what you put in it. So all your favorite ingredients can go in it.
Então, me quero estar comigo, brigurada se não tiki aula, e ora nós também, Peggy também está in the heat of the kitchen, aunque não também cozinha nada, mas estou também preparar uma receita saudável de tiki tempo com tiki placa.
But, Tabitha, I have a surprise for you because I'm going to fix you a gorgeous meal today.
Super, we can wait.
Let's go to the kitchen. I'll show you.
Botou outro saco